Welcome back, guys. Another episode. Well, another series. Just here with Tones. We are not long back from our trip from Adelaide to Weipa. Didn't quite go to plan though, did it?
No. We thought we were.
No. And I flew back. Tones got back about 2 weeks later. So, see how it ends. Let's go back to the beginning. Let's get into it. Not bad at all. Morning, y'all. So after 18 hours in the car yesterday, we put up a little pullover at the side of the road. Nothing spectacular, but and check the sunrise out. In between a place called Aramanga and Quilpie. We're about to go north towards Cairns and then further on to Weipa. Quick update, about 1,000 k's to go before we get to Weipa. About 300 odd k's from Cairns roughly, I think. We've just stopped into this mechanics here, as you can see over the back. We've got to plug the car in to get a diagnostic. I went in limp mode late last night, so we're just getting that looked at now. Hopefully it's all good. Hopefully we haven't damaged anything. We just clear the codes and keep on going. A little bit annoying, but we'll see what happens, eh? Let's go have a look what the diagnostic's doing. We're on the road again.
On the road again.
Yeah, Hayden Shorey Mechanical, legend. Help
what a
us
legend.
out.
Yep,
So
10% legend, mate.
worked out well for us. So yeah, if you're in wherever the hell we are, Hayden Shorey Mechanical. He was too busy to even answer the phone. That's how busy he is.
Thanks, matey.
But we rocked up there and he helped us out. So legend. We've made it to our camp tonight, but it's a little bit different. We've popped in to see some relatives in Corunda, Queensland, Pete and Linda and little Em. This is their property. Beautiful. Check it out. So we're over here. Got the swaggin under the tent shed there. Haven't we, Lily? And yeah, it is stunning. I'll show you the house, the outside anyway, and I'll show you their pond slash pool with a. We'll go have a look. A nasty house. It's lovely. And here's the pool pond. Oh, and goes a little perchy. Lily's my new best friend, aren't you? It's just 5-bit pizza oven. What do you want? Snake hunting. Check it out. Lily.
I happen to know baby pythons love baby chickens.
Yeah. Oh yeah, there it is.
Hey.
Yeah.
Stirring it up. Shit out of me.
He's shot on my head.
It's only a little baby.
Yeah.
Loose. Get away.
Oh yeah, that's a baby.
Baby one.
So that's a scrub python, amethyst python.
Beauty.
And then just, yeah, a little.
That's the shot.
You've got your glands on there.
Yeah, that's the poisonies. Oh, yuck. Oh.
When they're out,
Yuck.
they attack them. Yeah.
Yuck. Mm.
And you smell the snake pee. No.
Thanks, Robbo, for the
Thanks,
port.
Robbo.
Hey!
Cheers,
I'll show you my favourite little plants up here. I'm sure a lot of you have seen them before, but check these out. They don't like being touched. Doesn't get old for me. Alright, we are fortunately leaving. Got 800 k's to go to Weipa, so yes. Alright, let's do it. Yum. Couple of them. Oh, holy shit, lumpies. Got washed off. Not how you do river crossing.
No.
Two of them. Not what to do. Yeah, go for it, dude. Made it, finally. After 4 days in the car, I've had enough. Oh, but we've made it. Check it out, it's the caravan park. Not bad. It's $37 a night, unpowered. The unpowered sites are right on the waterfront here. Sun's still up. We made it before the sunset. The car made it, the trailer made it. I'm stoked. Me and Tones to do a trip like this. Been 3 years in the making. We almost didn't get here due to car issues. But now we are here. Check it out. Not bad at all. Good morning, guys. It wasn't a dream. We are actually here. How good. We just spent the morning setting up our little camp. It's nice and warm already. Never seen so many rigs and ATVs, and it's like heaven. Travelled almost 4,000 k's to get here, so we're gonna get into it. Trailer's done, boat's on, seats are in, all the shit is in. Well, minus our fishing gear. Gonna need another boat just for that.
Check these cables after Foul Bay, they're all bloody corroded up.
Oh shit.
I'm lucky I've got a little drill I got in and flushed them out.
Living in Barry. I love this spot. Just living. Cheers.
Yeah. Tomorrow.
Let's get some fish tomorrow. And we are ready to get some fish. Fishing time. Oh!
Is that your lure that did that?
Yeah, something followed it. I was. Tone's just got a little one. Not bad. Nice
First
salty.
one, it'll do for starters.
See you, mate.
Right. Not sure which way's up, but he'll be okay. Yep.
Things you do in croc infested waters when you're stuck in the mud. I can't even find the bottom to this. Yeah, man. I don't know if I'm that much keener staying in the water. Huh? No real luck on the barra. Maybe tomorrow. We should have got there earlier. Tide was too low, as you saw. We had to push the boat out knee deep. We just see some bust ups back here along this dirty water line. So we're going to troll it. See what happens. Morning 2. Hope we do a bit better than yesterday. Got some local knowledge. They're going to give us some red hot tips. We're going to hit some bays around there, throw some good reefs. Give that a crack. Crack a morning.
Oh my god, it's a cod!
It's huge.
Nearly pulled me out the boat.
Oh, it's massive, bruh.
And the drag going.
Huge, bruh. Reckon.
Yeah, cod. Yeah.
Yeah. Under it, Rega. Oh, what's that? Squid. Squid.
I had the squid that big up.
Oh!
Good, that's getting better.
That's better. How's that squid though? Buddy, I left the squid jigs. Oh, yeah. Look at those rocks. Another little cod. Ew, another little bubba. Oh, barracuda, is it?
Yeah.
Stinky barracuda. Oh, yeah, best thing that could happen. That was a good cast. Not.
Yeah, there's not enough structure there. Really.
Might be better on the outer fringe over here.
Well,
Righto, so we spent the morning hitting the shallows. Got a few cod. Got one keeper. That's tea. So, oh, nice little fingery. Beautiful. That's better. Fillet that gold spot cod, estuary cod that we got today. Did better on the fishing today, thank God. Mate Jerry and the boat he was on today took us out and showed us exactly where some of these reefs were, which was good because we got fish today. Tomorrow we're going to go back up the estuaries because it's going to blow quite a bit apparently, so we'll go up there, get out of the wind, and yeah, hopefully get that elusive big boy barra. But for now, I'm gonna fillet this, have a froth. There's a pool here, thank God. I'm gonna go for a dip because it's muggy as. Let's go. Not bad at all. Every sunset here has been dope, including tonight. It's just starting to go down now. Not bad at all. Some crew down here chilling. I'm gonna get a froth. It's tucker time. Got the cod, some chips, some salad. Put it in a wrap. It's gonna be good. Look at that flash. It's amazing. It's gonna be hell.